Pregnancy can be a beautiful and exciting time in a woman's life, but it can also come with its fair share of discomforts. One of the most common complaints during pregnancy is trouble sleeping due to a growing belly, back pain, and overall discomfort. This is where pregnancy pillows come in to save the day. There are many different types of pregnancy pillows on the market, each designed to target specific areas of discomfort and provide support where it's needed most. One of the most popular types of pregnancy pillows is the full-body pillow. These pillows are long and curved to wrap around your body, providing support for your back, belly, and legs all at once. They can help alleviate back pain, reduce swelling in the legs, and make it easier to find a comfortable sleeping position. Another popular type of pregnancy pillow is the wedge pillow. These pillows are small and compact, designed to be placed under your belly or behind your back for targeted support. They can help reduce pressure on your lower back and hips, making it easier to relax and get a good night's sleep. Some pregnancy pillows are designed specifically for side sleepers. These pillows are contoured to fit the shape of your body and provide support for your belly and hips while you sleep on your side. They can help reduce the risk of developing hip and back pain, as well as improve circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. There are also pregnancy pillows designed for women who prefer to sleep on their backs. These pillows are shaped like a wedge and are placed under your back to provide support and prevent you from rolling onto your back while you sleep. Sleeping on your back during pregnancy can put pressure on your spine and restrict blood flow to your baby, so it's important to use a pillow that will keep you comfortable and safe. No matter what type of pregnancy pillow you choose, there are a few key tips to keep in mind when using them. First, make sure to position the pillow correctly to provide the most support. If you're using a full-body pillow, wrap it around your body and adjust it until you feel comfortable. If you're using a wedge pillow, place it under your belly or behind your back in a way that feels supportive. It's also important to experiment with different sleeping positions to find what works best for you. Some women find relief by sleeping on their side with a pillow between their knees, while others prefer to sleep on their back with a pillow under their back. Listen to your body and adjust your pillow as needed to find the most comfortable position for you. Lastly, don't be afraid to invest in a high-quality pregnancy pillow. While it may seem like a luxury, a good pregnancy pillow can make a world of difference in your comfort and sleep quality during pregnancy. Look for pillows made with supportive materials like memory foam or gel, and choose a size and shape that will work best for your body. In conclusion, pregnancy pillows can be a lifesaver for women experiencing discomfort during pregnancy. Whether you're struggling with back pain, hip pain, or just can't seem to get comfortable at night, there's a pregnancy pillow out there for you. Experiment with different types of pillows, find the right sleeping position, and invest in a high-quality pillow to ensure a restful and comfortable night's sleep throughout your pregnancy.